Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today I am at the Performance Car Show, enjoying the cars and obviously celebrating the launch of our Nero product.
We're here for the next 4 days with our friends and partners, Urban Automotive. Partners because of that. The Nero Design Aventador S alongside the Huracan Nero Design car. I'm going to take you for a little walk around the car now so you can see what we've actually done and get a closer look. So first up, on the front of the Aventador S, you have the front splitter, all in carbon. We've followed the lines of the car. We've tried not to go too leery with it. We don't want to go completely bonkers. It's aesthetically pleasing. It does what it says on the tin. It adds a little dimension to it that it didn't have before. The carbon weave pattern is 2x2, so it matches the standard factory weave pattern that we've already got on the car. So we've tried to keep it as classy as possible, but you be the judge of it and let us know. You've got the new side skirts, as you can see, with the two fins coming upright as well. We've got our Nero Design plate in there as well, so you can see that it is that kit. But again, we've tried to keep it subtle, tried to keep it together with the Centenario design as well, so keeping the aesthetics right, making the Lamborghini work all the way through. But as you come to the back of the car, this is the piece de resistance, as they say. You've got the rear spoiler with the billet aluminium pylons as well, with the billet aluminium pieces at the end, which again have the Nero design in there as well. So again, we've tried to keep things tasty, subtle, not too much, not too bonkers, but with the rear wing, we've added a little bit more spice to it. So tried to give it a little bit more pizzazz, if you like. We've also got a selection of wheels that are going to be coming up. So on the Aventador S here on the stand, on the driver's side of the vehicle, we've got the NDS 2 wheels, and on the passenger side, we've got the NDS 1 wheels. They're in a range of 40 different colours as well, so there's choice is always there. But let us know what you think, which one you prefer. You've got the standard 5-spoke essentially, or then you've got your multi-spoke wheel as well. So we've got something for everyone, so I hope you like that.
It's day 2 from the car show. I've just arrived and I've got all these lovely people behind me that want pictures, they want autographs. I've always said on every single video, all over my Instagram, I'll always stand there and do pictures and signatures. And today's one of them days. Are you ready? About to go to work. 20 episodes straight is going to binge it. Binge it. Just to tell you what just happened. So this young man here, what's your name?
Bert.
Bert. So this young man here has got this car. So I said, oh, you got me a present, thanks. And he's like, nah, it's not for you. So I was like, okay then. I said, I'll tell you what, give me this and I'll give you that. And he went, no. His dad is going to go home crying. I've still got my car and he's got his toy.
My name's Tariq. I'm a huge fan of Yiannimize. I'm from Malawi, which is in Africa. Came here just to see him. Really love his show. I love his car wraps. He's a real inspiration. Just a huge fan.
It's once in a lifetime.
It's at the London Motor Show. If you click here, you can actually see when these guys came down and look, that's his t-shirt signed. She loves it. This woman, I think she's the bigger fan than him. It's true, isn't it? Hashtag true story. Hashtag
Take it off.
Hi, well, I'm Lenny The Geeza, and I'm getting all the leftovers from Yianni. So everyone's getting a picture, and they're like, oh, follow me. I might as well get a picture of Lenny The Geeza as well. So that's the kind of vibe I'm going for at the moment.
So he's asked me to sign his top. Mum, is that okay?
I'm happy, more than happy, go for it.
There's a disclaimer, I'm covered, I'm covered.
Alright, so we're at the car show. It's crazy. We're just giving out stickers now, taking photos. No worries. Yeah, it's crazy.
Hi guys, I'm Simon from Urban. Just to give you a little overview of what we do, we modify SUVs. We specialise in creating an aftermarket version of Range Rover and Land Rover products. So we manufacture everything in carbon fibre. We manufacture in the UK, everything in-house. We paint in-house, we manufacture in-house. We want to focus on the Velar because obviously it's our launch car at the show alongside the Nero cars. Everything we've changed on the Velar, the front and rear end, is lots of carbon fibre, all exposed. Big aggressive front end to give you that like aggression that the car needed, even down to the carbon fibre detail and wing mirrors, blades, side steps. You've got the fender flare arches on here to bring the width of the car out, alongside the forged wheels, which we get manufactured from Vossen in the US. The front bumper is fully changed, so it's a complete replacement front bumper. You've got the autograph grille and then the intakes down here, obviously to bring everything in, and the style and the design with the daytime running lights in there as well. So it gives a completely new look to the car.
People been queuing for an hour, half an hour. I never say no. If you click here, you can see the Hyundai video I done with these guys, yeah, for the WRC rally.
My message to Yiannimize would be to keep doing what you're doing because you are amazing and I couldn't fault you.
So that is it, that is the end of the show. I am absolutely shattered. I've done 4 hours signing today, 4 hours signing yesterday. To be fair, I'm going to be signing all day and all night. I'll always take time out for you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support that you guys show me every single day on social media and when we do the car shows. Make sure you guys stay tuned and keep watching the show on Dave. 8 o'clock every single Wednesday, or you can watch it on UK TV Play. See all 20 episodes straight away. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys, and I'll see you soon.